West Side aerobic routine, the Birdline Shuffle step.
People have lots of feelings about this.
Another one on the scooters, this one was localized to Santa Monica. So this is the bird scooters with the the poop about safety concerns. This is when they're actually first really coming into Santa Monica. And I worked with the editor of the Argonaut who suggested the topic. Said, what's a good local topic? He said, bird scooters. So so I did the first thing came to mind, which is, this is what came to mind. Taking the bird, again, literally, and turning it into something visual. After decades and billions of dollars, I hereby declare this section of the state high-speed rail project open. And in the meanwhile, in the background is Elon Musk's Hyperloop zipping around.